Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a clean girl makeup look, something that I wear when I want to look polished, clean and effortless. I have prepped my skin up with the Medicube Jelly Cream and the Dior Lip Oil. For my base, I'm using the Chanel Water Fresh tint. I wanted to keep my base very light and skin-like. I just wanted to even out my skin tone. I also wanted to mention how clean girl makeup isn't just about makeup, it's also about hair and grooming. I went with a ponytail to keep everything neat and paired it with white to elevate the look. I prefer using my fingers to blend in my skin tint. Instead of going full coverage, I'm spot concealing the redness with the Clinique concealer. I absolutely love this concealer. I love how hydrating and creamy it is and how easily it blends into the skin. It also covers any redness that I have on my face. This concealer has medium to buildable coverage. For blush, I'm using Pixi and NARS and I'm just going to mix them on my hand to warm them up and then use a light fluffy brush. I'm lightly applying this on the cheeks, focusing on a more softer flush rather than harsh placement. I'm going in with more blush because I want my cheeks to look more flushed. Also, if you end up liking the video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Next, I'm using the Chanel highlighter stick. I'm not applying too much, just a little on the higher points of the face. For clean girl makeup, the glow should look like it's coming from within and not sitting on top of it. For the lips, I'm going in again with the Dior Lip Oil. Your lips should look nice and healthy and not overly lined or matte. This was the look. Thank you for watching.